Seneca, the renowned Roman philosopher and playwright, imparted a profound perspective on anger. He asserted that rather than attempting to control anger, we should strive to obliterate it entirely, for anger in its core is a fundamentally wicked force. Lucius Aeneas Seneca, a prominent figure in Stoicism, authored several essential works on this philosophical school of thought. He served as an advisor to Emperor Nero and maintained that anger constitutes a transient form of madness even when justified. Seneca believed that acting upon anger was detrimental to our sanity. His treatise Ira delved deeply into the nature of anger within the context of Stoic philosophy. He provided guidance on how to prevent and manage anger. In this article, we will explore 10 valuable lessons on anger control based on Cuz teachings. Number 1. Acknowledge the destructive nature of anger. Seneca emphasized the importance of recognizing the destructive qualities inherent to anger. While some may argue that anger can be justifiable under certain circumstances, Stoicism contends that there is no good degree of anger. Instead, anger is viewed as irrational and socially damaging. Cuz primary reasons for condemning anger include anger enslaves us, leading to impulsive actions and regrettable mistakes. Anger operates rapidly, overpowering reason and sound judgment. Anger is highly contagious, spreading through social groups like wildfire. To diminish our attachment to anger, Stoic philosophy seeks the attainment of tranquility, a state of inner peace and calm. Number 2. Identify and control your anger triggers. Seneca advised being mindful of the events and situations that trigger anger. Practicing mindfulness helps you respond more effectively to anger by recognizing both the overarching patterns and specific thoughts that lead to this emotion. Common anger triggers include unfair treatment, such as someone cutting in line or receiving an inaccurate work evaluation, time-related stressors, and frustrations such as traffic delays or interruptions during work. Experiencing dishonesty, disappointment, or perceived threats to self-esteem. Encountering prejudice or discrimination, facing physical threats or attacks. Anticipating anger allows for more constructive expression and better management of this emotion. Number 3. Empathize with offenders. Seneca urged people to put themselves in the offender's position when unprovoked. This exercise helps you realize that unjustified estimations of self-worth and an unwillingness to tolerate treatment that you would willingly inflict on others often underlie anger. Recognizing shared human flaws and past transgressions can help temper anger. Number 4. Choose your friends wisely. Seneca emphasized the importance of surrounding oneself with honest, self-controlled, and easygoing individual you'll who neither provoke nor tolerate your anger. The people you associate would significantly influence your life's success and well-being. Number 5. Exercise patience. Seneca advocated the practice of patience as an effective remedy for anger. He suggested waiting for the initial passionate surge of anger to subside, allowing the fog of anger to clear. Anger impairs problem-solving, judgment, and rational thinking. It motivates revenge and retaliation. To counteract this, Seneca recommended removing yourself from provoking situations or delaying actions until achieving a tranquil state of mind. Activities such as reading, meditating, deep breathing, or physical exercises can help dissipate anger's intensity. Number 6. Utilize art and music for emotional calm. Seneca believed that individuals prone to frustration and anger could benefit from soothing art and music. Expressive therapies, which include music, art, dance, drama, and writing therapy, can help manage anger by engaging creative expression and imagination. Music in particular can serve as a mood stabilizer and relaxation tool. Number 7. Practice self-reflection. Seneca encouraged self-reflection to increase mindfulness of your thoughts and triggers for negative emotions. Keeping an anger journal and making daily entries about anger-inducing events can help you identify patterns, develop coping strategies, and ultimately manage anger more constructively. Number 8. Prioritize healing over punishment. Seneca advocated for healing over vengeance. He believed that seeking revenge extended the duration of anger and exposed individuals to further harm. Like modern rehabilitative approaches and advanced prison systems, Seneca believed in reforming the offender, recognizing the injustice and minimizing harm rather than perpetuating. Anger number 9. Avoid seeking reasons to be angry. Seneca cautioned against giving undue importance to oneself and having unrealistic expectations. Stoics practice negative visualization, envisioning worst-case scenarios and preparing for adversity, while appreciating times when these negative outcomes do not materialize. To manage anger effectively, avoid actively seeking reasons to become upset. Number 10. Employ self-deprecating humor in situations involving insults. Seneca recommended self-deprecating humor as a deflective strategy. By making light of an insult and turning it into a joke, you prevent it from deeply affecting your psyche. This approach frustrates the insulter and maintains your emotional equilibrium. By incorporating these 10 principles from Seneca Stoic philosophy, you can gain better control over anger, promote inner tranquility, and lead a more harmonious life.